Alright, we got our CopterX 4-rotor head unit. And this one looks much sturdier than the last one. I've got the DSMX receiver installed on the helicopter, so it won't take off and fly away on me like it did last time when I had the static lockout issue. And I say you couldn't pay me to touch DSM-2 ever again in life. I should have known better. I knew better. I just forgot. CopterX. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to get this together, so hopefully I can remake this baby tomorrow before I send off the transmitter. Thanks for watching.